Many times it so happens that there are very large number of flowers on the mango tree, but no or a few fruits on the tree because of premature flower and fruit drop. What causes falling of mango flowers and fruit and how to prevent such fruit drop? Watch the full video to know top tips on the flowering mango tree care to retain flowers and fruits and mango flower spray to get large number of fruits on the tree. Some fruits will drop due to a normal thinning process of tree to utilize the available nutrients. To prevent premature fruit fall, let us first identify the causes. This can be mainly due to very low temperatures, dry weather, high wind, too much watering, mango disease, insect and pest attack, incorrect pruning and incorrect fertilization. A small and healthy tree is easy to protect against diseases and can tolerate adverse weather conditions and prevent flower and fruit fall. Frost and very low temperatures drop flowers and small fruits. Planting the tree against the south side of the house helps because the wall retains heat during the day and protect the tree during cooler nights. If the plant is in a pot, then move to garage during frost and very low temperatures. Place some light on the tree and cover it with a tent or blanket if the tree is in the ground. This will protect the tree from high winds, frost and low temperatures. High winds can drop mangoes less than 10 mm size. Mulch the tree and water in the evening if there is a chance of frost. The dry soil will cause the flowers to fall. However, overwatering will also drop flowers. After fruit set, water frequently to keep moisture in the soil to prevent drop. Give a complete fertilizer for fruits. Fertilizer high in nitrogen drops flowers. Give fertilizer high in potassium and phosphorus. Give composted cow manure in late winter. Fungal diseases such as powdery mildew and anthracnose can cause dropping. Powdery mildew covers fruit, foliage and twigs with a white substance. Anthracnose disease produces dark spots on leaves and fruits. Always keep the area under tree clean. Remove fallen twigs, leaves, flowers and fruits. Remove the infected leaves, branches and fruits with disinfected pruning shears. Put a layer of wood chips or straw as mulch to keep it clean. Spray copper fungicide and neem oil on trunk, stems and both sides of leaves every week until problems are eliminated. Spray from the beginning of the growing period to the fruit harvesting. Spray eco oil or pest oil on flowers and fruits every week to prevent their drop. Hormone sprays like naphthalene acetic acid and gibberellic acid increase flowers, fruit set and retention, higher fruit yield and higher fruit weight.